Well, we had the conservatory built in 2006, and we quickly realised that, to be honest, it wasn't what we expected. It wasn't built by TWS, but it was too hot in summer, too cold in winter. The polycarbonate roof got covered in green mould.
It was horrible.
And it really looked awful.
Yeah. It just wasn't an all-round room. It wasn't, it was a room when the grandchildren come, they'd come in and play, and you'd sort of say, is it a bit cold or is it warm, so, yeah.
And then we went to a friend's house, and they'd had a roof put on
their conservatory,
and we asked their builder to have a look at ours, and he said he'd do this and he'd do that.
And we weren't happy.
We weren't
happy.
It seemed like a real ham-fisted job.
Yeah.
So I started researching, and I spoke to everybody, and I looked at every conceivable system, and I was just fit for giving up. And then, lo and behold, and we usually go straight to the recycling bin, but a flyer came through from TWS.
Yeah. And I said, so look at this, yeah.
Look at it. We'll just give this one more go.
Yeah.
And I rang them up and I said, look, I've spoken to so many salespeople. I don't want a huge hard sell.
And we knew the range of costs. We'd sort of researched, so we knew, didn't we?
And so I said, I'm more than happy to see a rep, but please, not more than an hour.
1 hour.
This guy came instantly. He was fabulous.
He was good.
Sadly, I can't remember his name.
No.
He showed us the product. He showed us the structures that TWS
and he suggested the shape.
Yeah,
because everybody was talking about flat, and we're thinking, I don't fancy flat. It would just, with you being tall, I thought it'd be a bit claustrophobic, weren't you?
So this guy was a proper pro. He knew what he was doing. He'd done it loads of times before. He gave us great advice.
Took 59 minutes.
Yeah. And so we signed up there and then. Customer service was ace.
Yeah.
Then the guys came to fit it. They said 2 days. 2 days, yeah, all right. It
always was a girl with them as well.
Yeah, always goes to 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. They go to... No, they didn't.
2 days.
They turned up. 2 days it was. They had the roof off. They had the new structure on. I asked if the flashing for the roof to the tile, for the wall to the tiles, could be changed slightly. Of course it could. They did everything. Yeah. So the structure went up.
Yeah.
They advised on various things.
Can I just point out, one of our biggest concerns was people had mentioned condensation.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Anybody who'd had sort of work done was saying about condensation. We're thinking, no, we don't want and so we mentioned this, and those vents were put in, which have been brilliant. We've never had condensation. And they also suggested this, which became a work of art.
Yeah.
I thought the way they've done it is brilliant.
So
absolutely brilliant.
They came along, they put the plug sockets in where we wanted, they put the lighting in, and then the plastering team came, and well, they're obviously subcontractors, but they were the best plasterers we have ever seen.
Yeah,
and
brilliant.
That was it. They came, they cleaned up, there wasn't a speck of mess.
No, they were brilliant.
And since then, we took away the patio door, which was just directly
it precipitated everything.
Yeah. It kind of caused a knock-on effect.
Yeah, we took the doors out, sort of. I was worried that it wouldn't be warm enough, when you think about it, because we took a radiator out from the kitchen, we knocked through, we then eventually put a new kitchen in. So it cost us an arm and a leg, didn't it, once we'd done this, but it was worth it.
But the point being, the problem at the start was that it was an unusable room. Yeah. But now
we live in the back.
Yeah. We live in the back of the house.
At night, and at night we go in the front.
Without a shadow of a doubt,
it's changed
this roof, with all its insulation, has made this the warmest place in the house. We don't have to have the radiators on as much in here because it just retains the heat.
Yeah.
So quite simply, it was just the best investment we've made on this house in our 45 years here.